Don't have time to cook? Is your schedule packed? Going backpacking and forgot your mountain house foods? All these problems are solved by reheating frozen dumplings we made previously on this channel. Let's pretend that we're going backpacking because it's more fun than thinking about being stuck at home now. Backpackers know that one of the most important things in backpacking is pack weight. To conserve weight, we're gonna forage for wild rice dumplings. First, find a rice dumpling vine that's fruiting and look around for the ripe rice dumpling. Here's one that's not that ripe. You notice that there's a yellow band around it and the shape is still small and round. We are looking for one that's larger and more diamond shaped looking. Ah, there's one right there. Just pluck it off the tree. Uncooked rice dumplings cannot be eaten right away. Let's look into some methods of how we can cook them on this backpacking trip. Fire up your favorite backpacking stove. Cover the rice dumpling completely in water and boil. Once boiled, simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes. If 15 to 20 minutes is too long to wait, you'll need to go searching for a favorite camp utility. And there it is right there, your favorite outdoors camp microwave. To reheat the dumplings, just take your favorite microwave safe bowl, put the dumpling in along with a cup of water, and cover completely and tightly with the plastic wrap. Then set the microwave on high for 5 minutes. You'll know that you sealed it correctly if you see a bubble start to form. This is what success looks like. Break the dumpling apart. It should all be defrosted. And if not, just pop it in the microwave again for another 30 seconds. And that's all to it. Of course, you can do all this at home, but it's not as fun as backpacking in the backyard.